I don't wanna be your friend. I don't wanna be your friend. I'm not trying to chill. I don't wanna be your friend. If you still talk to him, why would I be your friend? If you don't wanna win, I don't fuck with the ops, I don't move like that. Yeah, I got my friends and we gon' fucking win. I don't wanna be your friend. Why would I be like them when I could be better than them? Doing so much better than them. They're all about the competition. They care about the recognition. Half the hours spending lies, but I just keep it inside. Don't wanna lose my mind, don't wanna waste my time. I got peace of mind, I just wanna be wise. I just wanna be wise. I don't wanna be your friend. I got better things to do. If you wanna talk about me, you better say that shit to my face. 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 You better say that shit to my face.